Hi, I'm Becky from Indigo Chinese Medicine, and I'm going to show you how to cook congee. First step is we're going to take a large heavy bottom pot. We're going to place in the rice. Now it's 1 part rice to 10 parts water. So we're going to add just a dash of sesame oil. We're just going to lightly coat the rice grains. This creates a really lovely creamy texture and adds more depth of flavour. And then we're going to add a thumb-sized knob of ginger. We're going to add some spring onion. Now we're going to add 5 cups of water. And let that cook for 4 to 6 hours. Enjoy your congee simply for breakfast, lunch or dinner.